Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. We meet again in this channel, and in this video we will talk about what happened when the charger unplugged from the laptop. So this is about switching the power source, the voltage source from the charger to the battery. And here we have a laptop schematic. This is schematic of the Acer Aspire V3371 using the just controller IC with model BQ24737. And this is the IC. The component that we will discuss here is this MOSFET. This is the MOSFET that working as the switch that connecting the battery. PT plus is this point is connected to this point. This is connected to the plus pin of the battery. So this MOSFET working as a switch that connecting the plus pin of the battery to the DC out. This is the line of the main voltage that distributed to around the motherboard. When the voltage taken from the charger from this line, okay, this is from the charger through this MOSFET connected to this DC out. The voltage here is about 19 volt, and when connected to battery, when the charger unplugged, the voltage here is about 15 volt for this laptop model. What happened when the charger plug? The voltage from the charger here is with this code ED plus. We know here that this point ED plus is connected to this point ED plus, and this connected to the gate of this MOSFET. This MOSFET is P-channel MOSFET, and we know that P-channel MOSFET active when the voltage at the gate pin is low or 0 volt. So when the voltage from the charger is lost, when the charger unplugged from the laptop, so ED plus is 0 volt, and the gate of this MOSFET get 0 volt because this is not connected to other voltage source. And then when the gate of this MOSFET is 0 volt, so this MOSFET active, and this is connecting in this condition, connecting this pin to this pin DC out. So the voltage here is about 5 volt from the battery. And what happened with the IC charger, the charger IC or the just controller IC? Because the VCC pin of this IC get the voltage source from ED plus from the charger. When the charger unplugged, the voltage of this VCC pin is 0 volt because no other voltage source here. So this IC not working. This is the reason why when the just controller IC broken or not working well, The laptop still can be turned on using the battery as long as the battery is not empty. Because as we have explained before, when this MOSFET, when the gate pin of this MOSFET is 0 volt, this means this laptop not connected to the charger. So the voltage from the battery will connected directly to DC button. So the main voltage of the motherboard supplied by the battery. Okay, brother, this is about the condition of the laptop motherboard when the charger unplugged. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.